How to enable or disable Wi-Fi low data mode in MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, you'll have to do is go to System Settings. In System Settings, okay, on the left side, okay, you can see the Wi-Fi. Okay, go to Wi-Fi. And now you can see here the Wi-Fi you connected. So I connected on this Wi-Fi network. The name is Virus. So okay guys, to enable or disable the Wi-Fi low data mode, okay, you'll have to do is click the three dot on the right side of this Wi-Fi network and select network settings. Okay guys, here in network settings or on this pop-up, okay, you can see here the low data mode. And the low data mode is disable. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. So if this enable, low data mode helps reduce your Mac data usage over a specific Wi-Fi network you select. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again the low data mode, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled Wi-Fi low data mode in MacBook Air.